Planman's questions.
Hello guys, welcome back to Planman's Questions, and today we are talking about how black holes are made and what is a black hole. There's a lot of theories about black holes and how they happen, but what really is a black hole? So first things first, let's figure out what a black hole is. So when there's a really big star, and with space, the bigger, the more heavy, that's the same with mass. So when a star is big as like UI Skew-Tide or Betelgeuse or YIE Canis Majoris or Stevenson 2-18, like Stevenson 2-18 is the biggest star that we ever discovered. Like those stars could possibly collapse under their own weight and form a black hole. A black hole has a imaginable amount of gravity. When something goes into it, it's actually a process called spaghettification, because when something goes into it, when it gets to the event horizon, it's going to keep on stretching inch by inch. If you put your hand out to a black hole, it will literally stretch your fingers until they come off. So if somebody goes into a black hole, which we don't have the stuff for that yet, because if we get close enough to a black hole, the space will get spaghettified too. So they'll actually get thinner than hair. So think of how thin hair is. You'll be compressed to smaller than an inch. You'll be stretched out, and then we know that, but once that happens, we don't know what happens. Nobody have ever been in a black hole. We just know they have extreme amounts of gravity to where they can suck in light, and the light can't even come out. That's why they're black. They absorb all light. Just like wavelengths, wavelengths with color I'll probably talk about in another video, but it absorbs all light, so it's gonna look completely black. And also, another fact about a black hole is that time goes slower there because of how big it is. There can literally be an entire thousand, like an entire century or like a millennia inside of a black hole. On Earth, and it'll only be 1 minute in that black hole. So 1,000 years could go by in 60 seconds. 10,000 years could possibly go by in 10 minutes. Who knows what will happen in an hour? So what was the first black hole discovered when? Okay, so there was two people named Bruce Ballack and Robert Brown who discovered the black hole inside the center of our galaxy. They discovered at the Green Bank WVA observatory. So they discovered the black hole in the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star. So they discovered that, and I actually saw a picture of that. They actually took a picture of it. I saw a picture of it right here. That's the picture of the black hole. I know it doesn't look like a black hole, but it's a black hole. Okay, now let's go into the theories of what happens when a black hole happens. So some people think is what scientists think is normally you'll just get stretched out and disintegrated. Some other people think that you'll get shot back out to space once you reach the event horizon. And even people like my mom, we was talking about this yesterday. I'm getting up for the video. She said since the Andromeda galaxy in our galaxy, the Milky Way is slowly going together at like 200 miles per hour a second, slowly in. That's barely anything in space, because think of it. We're over 50 light years away from the Andromeda, way more than 50 light years actually. And 1 light year is 5.5 trillion miles. That's more than 1 AU or astronomical unit distant from Sun to Earth, which is 93 million miles. So that's very, very far. So about 200 miles is a speck inside of space. But she was thinking one of the galaxies created a black hole, and they did it so they can protect their stuff. I think that was a cool little theory. But at the end of the day, nobody really knows about what happens when you go into a black hole, like beyond the event horizon. Nobody really knows. But there's theories, and when we get advanced in the future, we're gonna eventually know. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Planman's Questions. And I'll see you on the next video. I'm actually thinking of doing a gaming channel. So we actually been trying to do the gaming channel for about a year and a half now, and I have been wanting to do it. So let's see if that happens. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to Planman's Questions.
Planman's Questions.
So we were looking over the footage when we were editing for the video, and we found out that I said the first black hole discovered was Sagittarius A star, the one inside the one inside of the center of our galaxy. And that's not the first black hole discovered. The first black hole discovered is actually Cygnus X1, and inside of the constellation of the Swan. I'm sorry I was rubbing my eyes right now. It's like 9 o'clock at night right now. It's 9 o'clock at night. I know that flipped, but it's 9:04, so it's kind of late at night, kind of sleepy. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to Planman's Questions. And I'll see you on the next video. I am doing a gaming channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe to Planman's Questions.
Planman's Questions.